Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to fix the Untrusted Server Certificate error that affects iPhone OS 3.2.2 or lower versions in Cydia. The first step is to open Cydia and make sure there aren't any updates available. If there are, follow my steps. Otherwise, I suggest that you skip to the next chapter. If you've already updated Cydia or there aren't any updates, click on Sources, Edit, Add, and type in cydia.invoxyplaygames.uk. Don't click on the cancel or reload button. Instead, wait until the close button appears and then proceed to click it. After you click on the close button, open the IPG repo. Click on all packages and choose Cydia HD patch. Click install. And confirm. Once the cancel and reload buttons disappear, click on close. Your device should respring. Unlock your device and open Cydia. You should be seeing the Welcome to Cydia screen, but if you aren't, go to Sources, Edit, Add, and type in repo.mtmdev.org. And wait until it finishes installing, again without touching the cancel nor the reload button. By the way, you should check out the mtmdev.org website. There you'll find all versions of apps compatible with your device. Once it's done, open the Momentum Dev repo and click on all packages. Open Cydia Substrate, click Modify, Downgrade, and choose version 0.9.4001. do the same process, and after you respring your device, the welcome to Cydia screen should be there. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any feedback or error, let me know in the comment section down below. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.